Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the image and immediately duplicating the background layer. This preserves the original while you work. Once done, zoom to at least 100% so small watermark edges are visible, and make a tight selection around the mark with the lasso or rectangular marquee. Make sure to feather the selection slightly, 1/3px, to soften edges. This prepares the area for non-destructive fixes. You're now ready to choose the right removal tool for texture and color matching. Next, use Content-Aware Fill for broad marks because it analyzes surrounding pixels to recreate texture and color. Choose Sample All Layers for flexibility. If the watermark is smaller, switch to the Spot Healing brush set to Content-Aware and Sample All Layers. Paint over the mark in short strokes. For repeating patterns or complex edges, use the clone stamp at 5100% opacity, sampling adjacent clean areas to blend. This gives you manual control when automatic fills struggle. Make incremental changes and toggle the duplicate layer visibility to compare. To finish, refine seams with the patch tool and healing brush to remove small tonal mismatches. Work on a merged copy. Shift plus Control/CMD plus Alt plus E so you can retouch non-destructively. Once done, add a new layer set to color or normal and use a low opacity brush to sample and paint subtle color corrections where needed. If you still see artifacts, make sure to try frequency separation for texture versus color fixes. If that fails, revert to the original selection and repeat with smaller strokes to avoid oversmoothing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.